everyone. Okay, so today we are going to understand the difference between two words which have only one letter difference, but that difference makes a huge difference. Beside and besides, which so many people keep using interchangeably without realizing that they are changing the whole meaning. So let's understand today what is beside and what is besides. Let's begin with beside. Beside means next to. If something is kept next to something else. For example, I have a habit. I always keep a book next to my bed. So, I always keep a book beside my bed. Beside. As a child, I always wanted to stand beside Michael Jackson and take a selfie. Beside, next to. Getting it? Okay, so let's understand what is besides. Beside has one letter added to it, and that's why it becomes besides. And this is what its meaning is. In addition or moreover. For example, besides Sunny, who else is coming to school today? Besides Sunny means Sunny is coming. In addition to Sunny, who else is coming? Its one more meaning is moreover. I am too tired to walk today. Besides, my knees are hurting. I am too tired to walk today. Moreover, my knees are hurting. Besides these two uses, the word besides has one more use. Oh, how smartly I use this. See, besides these two uses means in addition to these two uses, there is one more use of the word besides, and that except for. Except for. Except for means except this thing, apart from this thing. For example, the previous example which I gave, besides Sunny, who else is coming to school? Here it meant that Sunny is coming. In addition to him, who else is coming? If I restructure this sentence a little, if I say, everyone is coming to school besides Sunny, then this sentence will mean everyone is coming, but Sunny is not coming. Except Sunny, everyone else is coming. See, it's so easy, right? Here I also want to talk about an idiom which is very famous. Beside the point. It's beside the point. Many people say besides the point. It's wrong. Beside the point. Beside the point means not important. For example, heart transplant is an extremely expensive procedure, but that's beside the point. We need to get it done. Means this procedure of heart transplant is very expensive, but someone who needs it right now, for that person, the cost is not important. It's beside the point. Because life is more important. So, he needs to get it done. I hope you have understood very well the difference between these two words. Thank you. This is Anushree signing off.